Hey, how's it going? Nat here. Let's take a look at what's making news. You might have heard of the Nobel Prize, the prestigious annual award, but have you ever heard of the Ig Nobel Prize?
Every year, scientists make some amazing and honestly groundbreaking discoveries. But amongst the innovation, there's some, well, let's say, surprising research.
The hard part is getting an alligator to breathe helium.
Every year since 1991, a magazine called the Annals of Improbable Research has awarded something called the Ig Nobel Prize. They say it's about honouring research that first makes you laugh, but then makes you think.
Welcome to the 30th first annual Ig Nobel Prize ceremony.
Okay, let's get into this year's awards. First, there was a study that found people with dark, thick eyebrows were more likely to be self-obsessed.
Yeah, right.
Then Richard Vedder found that entomologists, or insect scientists, were in fact scared of spiders.
It's a picture.
And then there was Metin Eren, who found that a knife made from frozen human poo was not very effective.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
This year's winner will take home 10 trillion Zimbabwean dollars, which is worth nothing, as well as a trophy made of paper. But it's less about the prize and more about the scientific honour.
Actor Main Wyatt has shown off his amazing painting skills with a win at the famous Archibald Prize Awards. His self-portrait won the Packing Room Prize, which is chosen by the art gallery staff. It's the first time in the prize's 99-year history that an Indigenous Aussie has won. The winners of the other Archibald Prize Awards will be announced next week. It's time to put on your boots and bite into some good old Aussie produce, because today is Fiverr for a Farmer Day. You might remember Jack from last week, who told us all about the campaign to help Aussie farmers suffering through the drought. Today we caught up with him to see how the big day's going.
Hey guys, I'm so excited. Today's the big day, a Fiverr for a Farmer Day. I've got stuff to do, people to meet, and I get to go to school as well. Let's go. A Fiverr for a Farmer is a charity I started around 3 years ago to help Aussies in drought by dressing up and bringing in $5. I have raised $1.8 million. Now we're just popping into my little cousins Harry and Max just to make sure they're eating an all-Australian produce lunch. Yummy oranges, who doesn't love an orange? And that's probably product of Australia. And then a nice milk, and look, see, it says product of Australia because there's the kangaroo there, and it says product of Australia, so it's coming from our farmers. I approve of it, Max, it looks awesome. Have a good day at school. My school's doing a big dress-up day, and we're going to have a yummy sausage sizzle, and I've been down and popped into the local kindergarten, and they've been great, so it's been a pretty cool day. Who's ever been to a farm? I think it's important because they help us so much by giving us beautiful Aussie produce, and we just need to help them a little bit going through tough times with COVID, droughts and bushfires, and we just need to give them a little help, so that's why I think it's so important. Oh my goodness, guys, what a day. My belly was full. I met so many kind people, and I got to dress up too, all in one day. It was so good.
Now it's time to spread your wings, because these next stories are all about birds. Izzy and Darwin are Magellanic penguins from Shedd Aquarium in the US. They've come down to visit a modern art gallery, you know, as penguins do. Workers at the aquarium say little field trips like these add a bit of variety to their day, as well as a chance to exercise. Ooh, is that an authentic Nicholas Africano in the middle? Lucky birds. Bin night and plovers. An unfortunate combo. This unlucky resident in outer Brisbane found that out the hard way. But he made it out alive. This time. These wings are a little different from the rest. But wait, it's not what you think. This fried chicken is actually chocolate cake. And it's not their only kooky creation. Yum, scrumptious slides. Or what about doughy dim sums, also made out of chocolate? They're creative and, yeah, a bit weird. Now I'm hungry, but also confused. That's all from us this week, but we'll see you again on Monday. Bye.